How's everybody doing? My name is Kurt Friedrich. Welcome to episode 1 of TNT Stocks. The actual date of this recording is February 2nd, 2025. The simulated date is going to be January 2nd of 2025. The criteria for these videos is one video per week will simulate 1 month. So when I create a video, we plan on doing it each week, and each week is going to simulate 1 month. So episode 1 being January, episode 2 being February, episode 3 being March, and so on. I will create videos when available at home, not while traveling on Army Reserve duty or on vacations. Any week with a missed video will not be considered a simulated month. So basically, it's a lot of work when I'm on Army Reserve to do these, and I need to be focusing on that work. And also when I'm on vacation, I want to be focusing on spending time with the family. So if I miss a week, that is not going to count as the next simulated month. So so like the first bullet point, each video is going to equal 1 month. Each video will simulate loading $100 to the TNT Stocks account. Let us see what $100 per video would look like over time. All stocks bought or sold in the simulation are actual companies with their actual stock prices. So basically, these videos are produced from strategies and simulations that I do from my own personal day trading experiences, and I will be using actual real-time, real data when I gather the data for these videos. Disclaimer: these videos are for entertainment purposes only. I'm not qualified or certified to give professional investment advice. Day trading has high risk involved. Any gain or loss is at a personal risk. Past performances do not guarantee success in future stock purchases. It is highly recommended that you do your own due diligence when it comes to deciding which stock you will purchase. So looking here at our first slide, these are stocks that we put into the TNT Stocks account of the actual date of 1 January of 2025, which was last Friday. I did really want to begin this at the beginning of January to start off the new year, but I was leaving for Army Reserves, and I didn't want to do one video and leave for several weeks and then do another video prior after. So I want to have some consistency the first few videos. So that's why the actual date on these is January 31st of 2025. And you see here at the bottom, we have the margin of green are stocks we just bought, and blue are stocks we sold. So of course, we just bought some, so we haven't sold any yet. So based off of $100, and I basically capped each company at $30. We bought DHT Holdings Incorporated, JetBlue Airways Corporation, Mexico Energy Corporation. 2 shares of DHT, 4 shares of JBLU, and 2 shares of MXC at a price of $11.32 for DHT, $6.58 for JBLU, and $12.10 for MXC. And what that amounted to is a total of $73.15 of our $100 is invested in those 3 stocks. These next few slides are going to be blank because we're at the beginning. We're at the first month. So our over/under, basically where we are in the balance is 0 because we haven't had any gains or losses yet. Total amount that we have invested is $100. Well, okay, so that's going to be the total amount that is in the account is $100. Our income right now is 0 because we haven't sold anything. We look forward to seeing this slide increase as time goes along. We want to go this way. fact, all slides, we want them to go this way. And here you see our take home. So this is basically um, some of the money that we earn. Some of it we're gonna put into our own wallet and take home to simulate uh, basically how much you would be taking home if you were selling so many stocks with gains. And we look forward to seeing that number increase over a period of time. And then lastly, we have our combined slide where we combined slide where we have everything compiled together. I try to keep this with the line graphs to keep consistency, but when I would create it, copy and paste it over, it would not carry it over, so I had to do the bar graph. But when we start getting further into the months, it should produce as a line graph. So that's basically what we see for right now. Is we have the 73.15 total invested, and then the $100 in the account shown here, and then of course over time these will increase as we go forward. So yeah, that's basically what we got for our first video. Is pretty basic, pretty simple. Um, here's what we purchased. I will say that one of my personal criteria when it comes to day trading is I do like to give these stocks a period of time before I sell them. So I guess you could say a 1 month probation period. Unless they all of a sudden shoot way up, then in my opinion, it is time to sell before it corrects itself and comes back down. That is pretty much the only time that I will not sell a stock after its 1 month probation period of time. Um, Also, if a stock drops drastically because somebody is trying to short stocks, right now I got a few of my own that are like that, and right now I'm kind of just riding that wave and seeing where it goes. So if we see a stock drastically drop because somebody is trying to short the stock, we're probably going to be holding on to that for a while. So these numbers here, or these companies here, are going to increase over the next few videos. Um, so we should not be, well, I hope we sell some because some of them jump drastically, and we're going to sell it while it's high. But I don't expect to see too much of that, too many blues going on here over the next few episodes. So um, that's what we have for episode 1. I do hope you all will continue to watch episodes 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. And let's see, as we saw the criteria here, let us see what $100 per video would look like over a period of time. So again, I want to thank you all for chiming in and joining in and watching our first episode. And don't forget to comment, rate, share, subscribe, all of the above, and we will see you for episode 2.